In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Forza Horizon 5 to Steam library on PC. Whether you own the game on Steam or play it through the Microsoft Store or Xbox Game Pass, I'll walk you through the cleanest way to see it in your Steam library and launch it from there. First, if you don't own the game yet and you want it natively in Steam, open the Steam client and head to the Store tab. In the search bar, type Forza Horizon 5. Click the game from the results to open its store page. From here, purchase the game through Steam just like any other title. Once your purchase is complete, start the download and let Steam handle the install. You'll see the download progress in your Downloads section. And when it's finished, Forza Horizon 5 will appear in your library permanently. Because it's a Steam purchase, updates, cloud saves that Steam provides, and launching all happen right through Steam with no extra setup required. Now, if you already play Forza Horizon 5 through the Microsoft Store or Xbox Game Pass, and just want it to appear inside Steam, you can add it as a non-Steam game shortcut. Launch the Steam client on your PC and look to the bottom left corner. Click the plus Add a Game button. In the small menu that appears, choose Add a non-Steam game. A window will open listing programs Steam can detect on your system. Look for Forza Horizon 5 in that list. If you see it, select it. If it's not listed, click Browse and navigate to the game's executable. When you locate the Forza Horizon 5.exe file, select it and click Open. Back in the window, confirm the selection and click Add Selected Programs. That action creates a shortcut entry for Forza Horizon 5 right in your Steam library. From now on, you can launch it from Steam like your other titles. Keep in mind, this doesn't transfer ownership or convert the game to a Steam version. It simply adds a convenient launcher inside Steam. Updates and account access will still be handled by the Microsoft Store or the Xbox app, and the game will run through its original platform in the background. If the game doesn't appear immediately under your library, try checking the Games section or using the library search bar to find it by name. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.